Welcome everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful day. So today I was very busy. After work in the evening, I was setting up this small garden of ours. I had some leftover foliages. These are artificial foliages, by the way. And I had tried germinate some seeds and something like a rose bush, as you can see. I set up green net and there is plywood backing so that the wall doesn't get spoiled. So as you can see, at the moment we have 3 pots. Let me introduce you the pots now. So first pot has spinach in it, along with a small rose stem that I found. Second one is just my trial for lettuce, and I've used recycled or reused plastic bags for them. Apart from this, I would like to show you my setup for the tomatoes. It's not germinated yet. I hope it will be very soon. I managed to get a temporary adjustment grow light from Amazon for 50 dirhams. It has a solar charging setup as well. So I hope this will be put to good use. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this.